Another simple surface shader is a metal. I don't know why is this here, but it's very simple noise with a small dirt that you can use in roughness in metal surface. Of course, you have to use in a layer shader with a reflectance and displacement, or combine channels to create a metal shader. But we have a very interesting metal shader in a library or Substance or other package in the internet. But it's there. It's a simple noise that you can create a color here with a different frequency. Means if the higher number means more noise, it's like a cloud, or less, we have a simple gradient between the darker part and the lighter part of the color. For example, you can change the color to gold to something like gray or dark. That's it.